In this video, we are going to solving LeetCode 961 and repeated element inside to an array. So first, let's quickly go through the problem statement. You are given an integer array nums with the following properties. Nums.length equal to multiply with n, and nums contain n plus 1 unique elements. Exactly one element of nums is repeated n times. Return the element that is repeated n times. So let's see the example in here. We're going to have, the nums equal in here. Let me try to copy this example. Okay. So we're going to have, the nums.length in here equal 4. And then, so our n gonna be equal to, in this case. Then we're going to have, 3, we're going to have n plus 1. So that means we're going to have, I'll go from here. It's going to be have a 3 unique elements. So it means, okay. And in this case, we're going to have the unique elements is, we're going to have a 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, you see in here. And then we're going to have exactly one nums is repeated n times. So we're going to have, nums that repeated n times. In this case is 2 times. And in here we just only see that 3 repeated 2 times. So then we're going to return it as our answer. Okay. So to solving this one, the first solution that we can do is we're going to, we're going to go through the nums, and if we found the, if we found any elements that appear 2 times, then we're going to return this element because, in nums, all the elements are unique except for the, except for n, n plus, so except for n elements repeated. Okay. So I'm going to, in this case, in order to check whether this appeared the second time or not, we're going to using set, or you can using hash map, but in my case, I'm going to using set. So I'm going to create the scene. In here will be the, will be check whether this appear or not. So I'm going to for for num in nums, and if num in scene, then we're going to return num, and else I'm going to add the element, add this num into scene. Okay, and this one will be the time complexity and space complexity for this is going to be on, and space complexity on, because for loop we just have a one for loop in here, and space complexity because I create a scene, it's take about, it can be stored about on divided by 2, but basically it's still on for overall. Okay. And the second solution that we can approach is by, comparing the neighbor. So let's see this in here for the example 2. Okay, so we're going to have example 2 in here. Let's say I'm going to, in here I'm have a 6 elements. Okay, and 3 of them gonna be, almost like 3 of them are considered as, repeated elements. So it's gonna be take us about, 50% of repeated elements. Then let's say I'm going to represent my neighbor with, let's say I'm going to represent x as a repeated element. Repeated elements. Okay, and O will be represent for, other unique element. Okay, and let's say here is my num, so I'm going to represent this is in my num is going to be equal x O x OOX. And you can see in here that the farthest distance that we can have for repeated elements is 3. Okay, and the closest can be 1. For example, if I change the x in here, it's gonna be 1. Okay, so then this one will be applied to the same for the other nums array. So it means that at least within 3 indexes we were able to find a repeated elements within these nums. Okay, so the indexes we need to compare is 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to try to solve it. So we're going to have let's say I'm going to divide the length of the nums is going to equal length of nums. I'm going to for a let's say I will divide the number of I'm going to divide the number of index I'm going to compare, like the number the neighbor that I'm going to compare. So for k in range, at this case we're going to compare the the 3 next indexes is 1, 2, and 3. So the range is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Or in here 4 for Python. And we're going to go into 4, and now I'm going to go through my nums. So I'm going I in range n minus k. Okay, then if I found any elements equal our neighbor, so I plus k, then we're going to return nums in I. Okay, so for this solution, the time complexity and space complexity will be because we visit just in here we have 3 times, and in here we have n times. So basically the time complexity in this one is on, and the space complexity for this one, because I'm not I just create a constant variable in here, so it just take one constant time. Okay, so that is about the LeetCode, nice seq1 and repeated element inside to an array. So thanks for listening, and bye.